So, for the next problem is to retrieve books that have the second highest stock within each category along with their category name. So, we're gonna select again, and then category name, BD book ID, BD stack. From category C, join book details. Book details BD on C, category ID equals BD that category ID, where BD dot stock equals parentheses iBoo. Select max BD to that stock from book details BD2, where I category ID equals C that category ID and BD2 that stock, and then less than sign operator and then parentheses, then select max BD3 stock, then from book details BD3, where BD3 that category ID equals C that category ID. Then so let's see what's the error here. So here is the result. I got um the books, the book, the book ID, and the oh my god, second highest stock books with their category name, of course, the drama and the poetry, ilang book ID, is 227. By the way, sir, akong na-use nga book ID nila is katong mga ISBN jud ay ISBN jud nila. As in, gi-search na ako lang mga ISBN. Anyways, muna results, sir. So, if may gimo og view, I just create view, pero nakahimo naman ko view, sir. Pakita ra na ako. Create view. Second highest book, highest stock books as. Anyway, na naman sila dari, sir. O, na dari. So, mana siya ang answer, sir. Nara. I created a view. I just added here sa taas, create view sa kanaya stock books. And then, nara ang output. And then, I already answered the start procedure. I'm so sorry, sir. Naginaanak. Ako naman get-testing rat nga ako. And then, for the stored procedure, nara, delimiter, create procedure, get sa kanang highest stack books. And here's my output. So, that's number 2, sir. Sorry ka, perjud ko, sir, ay. Sorry na, jud. Answer ko daan.